Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Daily Journals and welcome back to my channel and happy 2023. This is the first video I've filmed since I'm back from my honeymoon. Honestly, I'm not very well and it's the day this video is meant to go up, so I don't even know if it's going to go up. But I had every intention of opening the Plannerface advent when we came back from our honeymoon one day at a time through till sort of like a New Year countdown, but that didn't happen because I've been really ill since I got home. Well, not since I got home, I did a couple of days at work trying to sort out like presents and stuff, and then yeah. So anyway, we're just gonna go straight into it. I have seen a couple of spoilers, like I know what day 8 is. I did already have like an idea of what day 8 was. I'm like a good guess and I was right about it, and I know what one of the other days is. But anyway, let's just get straight into it and I'm gonna get opening. So we have day 1. So what I do know about this is there are like 2 themes in it, but I don't know what any of them are. Lol. So it actually starts with a countdown, Xmas countdown for using for the advent, but obviously I've only just opened this, so I'll have to save it for next year, but yeah, that's really cute. And then it's got happy 2023. Oh well, nothing I can do about it. And then we've got Christmas countdown, but I actually have the Christmas countdown from the I could use it in my memory planner. Anyway, that is that. And then we also have a birthday countdown, which is really cute. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 week, then the day countdowns, and then some like cute little icons and stuff. So they're really cute. Excited to use those. I will probably pop that in my planning album, kit album for when that starts. I'm really sorry about my voice, by the way. Okay, on to day 2, which another again looks like some more quarter sheets. So let's have a little look. Oh, they're third sheets, and there are some samplers of icons, and I assume these are the 2 colour schemes that are featured throughout. So you have the same sampler doodle sampler in 2 colour schemes. So what have you got on here? You've got the car, phone, sticker sheets, tumble dryer or washing machine, paw print, phone, present, AirPods, laptop, cleaning bucket, credit cards, TV, popcorn bucket, nail varnish, notebook, book, cup of tea or coffee, present, computer, envelope, bath, and then we've got some different faces. So heart eye smiley, like really happy, different sort of smiley, shocked, sad, dead, grumpy, sad, and crying sad and sad. And then you've got the other colour scheme, which is my favourite of the 2 colour schemes. I definitely prefer this sort of colour scheme, which is cute. I'm hoping they match things later on, but we will see. So that's day 2. Day 3 feels like a notebook. It is A5, notepad, it's A5, so I wonder whether it is a planning, like memory notes planner one. We'll see. It does look like it, or it might not be, but yeah, no, it is a planning notes memory pad, and it's got like this pattern, like paint swatch pattern with like glittery bits on it throughout, so that's cute. It's in this colour scheme, I think, but not really, because there's this orange that isn't in either. But yeah, really cute. I have 3 or maybe even 4 of these now. You'll see in my haul I've got at least one more, a new one, and I don't use them at the moment, so we'll see what I end up using them for. But yeah, oh well. I will eventually use them, I'm sure. I just don't know what yet for. But anyway, cute all the same, and I obviously buy them, so I do want them. Anyway, on to a day 4. Have a little looky. Oh, we have some date dots. I thought these might be coming, and these are in 2 new fonts, I think. And I really like this font. So yeah. So you've got date dots. So you've got 1 to 31. It's both sans serif. This is like a more doodled one. This is a more like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, both really cute fonts. Always need date dots, and it's super helpful to have black and white date dots always. That's there. Then we're on to our first, what feels like quarter sheet, like bigger sheet size one. So let's have a little nosy. Oh, it's so weird opening an advent like this because I never normally do. Yeah. So here's our first hint that we are indeed getting a kit, or maybe even 2 kits, because we basically have the add-ons, and that is one of the papers is this paper. So it is, and again, it's this colour scheme. So this one is called Woodland. It's the first sneak we have of what the kit might be like. But you've got your box add-on, your 15mm add-on, super cute there, and your glitter add-on. I love the box add-on, it is my favourite. But yeah, so that's there. So that is your add-ons, and I wonder whether day 6, the day 6 feels thicker, so maybe day 6 is a kit. Let's see. I think it probably is. It feels thick enough to be a kit, so let's assume it is, and I think I'm right. Yes. And it is indeed called Woodland. So it's like, there's like some nods to different fairy tales. So like there's a Once Upon a Time, a book here, and the little animals is really cute. I really like the theme. I really like all the animals in it. I think that's really cute. And then you've got like inside a little cottage thing here. Absolutely no idea what I'd use this kit for, but it is really, really cute. This is the full kit format. You could get the advent with mini kit. I believe there are still advents on the Plannerface website. You cannot use my code, which is Tilly10. I am still on the Plannerface PR team, but you can, oh, this is perfect for a quote box. But you can, of course, still pick this up, and it is beautiful. So yeah, if you want 2 kits for a really good price plus loads of add-ons, yes. So you've got your extra girl boxes here, and then a toolbox, including toolbox of this, and a girl that I don't think is anywhere else in the kit. Pretty sure she's not. So that's really cute. So I'll pop the other add-ons with it. You know how I love to have a kit with add-ons. Yes. So that's like one kit. So I imagine day 11 and 12 are the same with the other kit, but we'll see. Let's have a look what we've got first on day 7. Oh, this is such a good advent. I'm loving it. Oh, we've got some like little functional samplers with lots of different functionals in. Again, these do match the 2 colour schemes that we have seen so far. So there's going to be absolutely tons of add-ons for this kit. I think we could zoom in a tad more. So as I say, I really love this colour scheme, so I hope I like the theme of whatever this is. And then this one matches the Woodland, which we'll just put together. Then this is the day I actually know what is. I'm going to open part 2 first, because then it makes more sense to me to open part 2 first. But this is a little stand for a piece of paper, as you can see. And I did really well to get one that fitted in a large letter envelope. And then here we have a Plannerface 2023 calendar of year in florals. Super cute. So I'll just flip through these. So these are a year in floral. So you can just have your calendar slots in there, and then you can have it on your desk, which is super cute. So you've got January is like these blues, got florals, you've got pinks, blues for March, April is this like pinky purple, reds for May, June is this like soft colour palette, some more pinks there, August is, you can see, I can't describe these, September's like nice and autumnal, oranges for October, November's blue, and then December is nice and Christmassy. So I'm really excited to have these on my desk. They're actually going to go just next to my computer screen here. I had indeed seen a spoiler for these already a couple of times, and I think I've seen a spoiler for this. I believe this was a like sneak for what's came out on Boxing Day, and these are transparent icons. So these are, as you can see, transparent, and this one matches both colour schemes, so I might have to cut it in half so I can put one with each thing. And then these are the new icons that have come out, and they are perfect for little things. Let me just, I don't have any tweezers, but as you can see, they're like the perfect size to go on the little thing icon. I'll see how I use these, and then if I use them a lot, I might pick up the ones that are in the shop. I haven't so far. No, that's smudged. That's a shame. I don't know how that happened, but yeah. Cute. That there. On to day 10, which is our last day. I don't think I know what is. I reckon day 11 is the add-ons for the second kit, and day 12 is the second kit. So let's see what our last day is. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have like, they're like paint swatches with florals, but with the months on. I freaking love these. I've got no idea what I'll use them for. If you've got any suggestions of what I should use these for, drop them down in the comments below, because I love them, but I don't know how I'd use them, but I absolutely adore them. So they're super, super cute. And then we have a script sampler. Yeah, you can read them. I can't be bothered to read over them all, but yeah, super, super cute. Okay, so on to what I think is the kit. I feel like I've sped through this, but I'm just really excited to open it because it's been a delay. It's like the 2nd of January when I'm actually opening this, and I've had it for ages. I bought it on the day it came out. Oh, okay, day 11. I am correct. I thought I would be. We have the glitter add-on. Oh, it's called Movie Night, and the box add-on, and I nearly left it in the envelope. The washi add-on, I love this, and I'm obsessed that it's called Movie Night. Oh, I'm excited for this kit. Look at those papers. I'm excited to see day 12. See the kit. Right, let's have a look. Exciting what we got. Oh, yes. Oh, this is stunning. Oh. Is this Knish Jess art? Like, that's a Knish Jess girl, but I don't know whether the whole art is. If it is, it's an older art, and it is beautiful. Oh, look at the doggo. Oh, look at the doggo. Anyway, so you've got Movie Night. It says outdoor here, but everything else looks very... Oh, no, this is outdoor, I suppose. But anyway, you've got different films here, s'mores and stuff like that. Super, super cute. Your add-on box there. But I've not gone over Anna's kit format because I just didn't feel the need. But yeah, it is a glorious kit format, and oh my god, what a good advent. So for each kit, you have the full kit, the 3 add-ons that Anna offers. So the 15mm, the box and the glitter add-on. You have this little functionals page. Let's zoom out a little bit. I probably can't make this the thumbnail, so I probably should have taken a photo at the beginning, but I didn't. So this little sampler icons, and then you've got the transparent one that's split between the two. Then you've got the same for the other kit. So you've got your add-ons, and with this one you do have the toolbox add-on as well. Oops, that's not really in frame, is it? There we go. Then we have the full box. I suppose actually I might just blur this photo for the thumbnail. Then you have your sampler and your icons, and then non-stuff that doesn't 100% match. You have the note cards, the planning notepad, and then you've got script sampler, the month things, icons, 2 lots of date dots, your advent countdown, and your birthday countdown. So yeah, that is the beautiful, beautiful 2022 Plannerface Advent. Comment like down below if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favourite item from the Advent is. I love these, but I've got no idea what I'll do with them. I love the desk calendar, and I love the movie night kit. So absolutely gorgeous, but super excited to have my hands on it. Thank you for watching. Comment like down below if you enjoyed it. Kiara's been to say hello. She's missed you too. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!